Clara, would you like some liver pate? Yes, you would. You know you want some. Liver pate, that yummy stuff. It's really good. You want it? Yes, it's good, isn't it? Is it good? Yeah, that's good stuff. Yeah. Yeah. Want some more? You want some more? Uh-huh. Oh, you're gonna, yay, Clara! Yay, Clara! Are you sleepy? You just woke up. You can't be sleepy. Yay, Clara! Good girl. Yay! That's right. Would you like to send a message to Auntie Yo? Would you like to say, hello, Auntie Yo? Hello, Auntie Yo. Yeah? Oh, you're going to send her kisses. Send her kisses. That's right. Say, hello, Auntie Yo. I'm going to send you kisses. Gonna wave to you. Say hi.